Have you ever craved comfort but found yourself drowning in more mess? Have you ever sought excitement only to find emptiness? Welcome. Today we embark on a transformative journey to unravel the profound impact of mindfulness in your life. Have you ever asked yourself, what is mindfulness? Or perhaps you've heard the term thrown around but aren't quite sure of its meaning. In today's fast-paced world, mindfulness seems to be everywhere, yet its essence remains often misunderstood. It's more than a trendy buzzword. It's a path to deeper understanding, inner peace, and positive change. In this episode, we're going to explore what mindfulness truly means, why it's essential for personal growth, and how it holds the key to transforming your life. Let's dive into the depths of this transformative practice together. Part 1. What is mindfulness? Imagine yourself in the bustling chaos of everyday life, a whirlwind of tasks, emotions, and distractions constantly vying for your attention. In this sea of busyness, it's easy to lose sight of the present moment, to let life pass by without truly experiencing it. Mindfulness invites you to pause amidst the chaos and turn toward the stillness within. It's about tuning into the delicate symphony of sensations, thoughts, and emotions that compose your inner world. Mindfulness encourages you to be fully present in each moment, embracing whatever arises without judgment. It's a gentle reminder that life unfolds not in the future, but in the fleeting moments of now. When you cultivate mindfulness, you transform into an active participant in your own existence, rather than a passive bystander. You learn to savor the taste of your morning coffee, to feel the sun's warmth on your skin, and to listen with genuine attention to the stories others share. Life becomes a tapestry of rich experiences rather than a blur of tasks and distractions. Part 2. The importance of mindfulness in our lives now. Why is mindfulness so crucial in our lives? As we navigate the complexities of modern existence, we often find ourselves grappling with stress, anxiety, and a pervasive sense of dissatisfaction. Mindfulness emerges as a beacon of light in these turbulent times, offering a pathway to emotional resilience and inner tranquility. When you embrace mindfulness, you equip yourself with the ability to observe your thoughts and emotions without immediate reaction. This pause, this moment of stillness between stimulus and response, is where the magic happens. It enables you to break free from the clutches of automatic pilot, allowing you to make conscious choices aligned with your values and aspirations. Mindfulness acts as a shield against the constant barrage of external pressures, fostering a sense of inner peace that permeates every aspect of your being. Furthermore, mindfulness nurtures a profound connection between your mind and body, enhancing self-awareness and enabling you to tune into your body's subtle cues. It's in these quiet moments of introspection that you discover a reservoir of strength, clarity, and compassion. By cultivating mindfulness, you open the doors to a life filled with intentionality, authenticity, and lasting contentment. Part 3. Embracing imperfection on the mindfulness journey. As we continue our exploration of mindfulness, it's essential to acknowledge that this path is not a destination, but an ongoing journey of self-discovery and growth. There will be moments when you find yourself fully immersed in the present, enveloped by a sense of peace and clarity. Yet there will also be times when your mind wanders, distracted by the myriad thoughts and emotions that arise. It's in these moments that the true spirit of mindfulness shines through. Instead of berating yourself for falling short of an unattainable ideal, cultivate kindness and compassion toward yourself. Nurture a gentle curiosity, acknowledging that each moment is a unique opportunity to return to the present. Embrace imperfection as an integral part of the journey, recognizing that setbacks are not failures, but valuable lessons along the way. Through this lens, every experience, whether serene or challenging, contributes to your growth and understanding. The essence of mindfulness lies in your capacity to observe, to learn, and to adapt. It's in the gentle art of showing up again and again, moment by moment, that you discover the transformative power of mindfulness in your life. Remember, you don't need to achieve perfection. You just need to show up and try again. Part 4. The transformative power of mindfulness. Mindfulness holds the extraordinary power to reshape your life in profound and multifaceted ways. When you embrace this practice, you unlock a cascade of positive transformations that extend to every facet of your being. Firstly, mindfulness enhances your emotional well-being. By cultivating a deep connection with the present moment, you learn to observe your emotions without judgment, fostering self-awareness and emotional regulation. This newfound awareness enables you to process your emotions healthily, reducing feelings of stress, anxiety, and depression, while increasing feelings of contentment and gratitude. Moreover, mindfulness strengthens your relationships by fostering empathy, compassion, and active listening. When you are fully present in your interactions with others, you create a space of deep connection and understanding. This heightened sense of empathy allows you to communicate more effectively, resolve conflicts peacefully, and build meaningful bonds with those around you. Furthermore, mindfulness enhances your physical health by reducing the harmful effects of stress. Chronic stress has detrimental effects on our physical well-being. However, mindfulness equips you with the tools to manage stress effectively. Through practices like meditation and deep breathing exercises, you activate the body's relaxation response, reducing muscle tension, lowering blood pressure, and strengthening the immune system. Lastly, mindfulness boosts creativity and productivity. By quieting the incessant chatter of the mind and focusing on the present moment, you create a fertile ground for innovative ideas to flourish. This state of focused attention allows you to immerse yourself fully in your work, enhancing productivity and achieving a state of flow that leads to greater accomplishments. Overall, mindfulness is a transformative practice that touches every aspect of your life. Embracing mindfulness is an invitation to live a life of intentionality, authenticity, and deep fulfillment. Part 5. Taking the first step. If you're eager to start your mindfulness journey and wondering, how can I incorporate mindfulness into my daily life? Here's a simple and effective approach. Begin by setting aside a quiet space and time each day, even just for 5 minutes. Find a comfortable posture and gently close your eyes. Turn your attention to your breath, noticing the natural rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. As you anchor yourself to the present moment, bring to mind any thoughts, feelings, or sensations that arise without judgment. Simply observe them as they come and go, like clouds passing in the sky. If your mind wanders, gently guide your attention back to your breath. Over time, you'll find yourself naturally returning to the present moment more frequently throughout your day. This daily practice will serve as a foundation, empowering you to approach each moment with greater presence, clarity, and peace. Part 6. Conclusion. Today we embarked on a profound exploration of mindfulness, practice that holds the key to unlocking a more fulfilling and intentional life. From understanding its essence to recognizing its transformative power, we've delved into the heart of this ancient practice. Now, as we part ways for today, remember the words spoken earlier. You don't need to achieve perfection. You just need to show up and try again. In the tapestry of your life, each moment is a unique thread waiting to be woven into the masterpiece that is you. Embrace the imperfections, celebrate the growth, and above all, cherish the transformative power of mindfulness. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Mindfulness, Wisdom, Freedom, and until we meet again in our next episode, may your days be filled with presence, clarity, and the unwavering belief in your own boundless potential. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful episodes delivered straight to your inbox. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found value in this episode, and share it with your friends who could benefit from its wisdom. Your support and engagement fuel our journey together. Thank you for walking this path of mindfulness and personal growth alongside us.